Installation instructions for additional water pump. Warning. 1. Burn hazard. 2. Never open the sealing cover of the coolant expansion kettle when the coolant is very hot. 3. Never use sealant during installation. Notes. 1. After installing a new pump or refilling the coolant, venting is necessary. 2. During venting, never open the sealing cover of the coolant expansion kettle. 3. Residual air may trigger high vehicle water temperature alarm. In this case, repeat the venting step. Perform test run after the fault code is reset. 4. Please use antifreeze of renowned brand. Inferior antifreeze may cause damage to the pump. 1. Installation preparation. 1. Start installation after the engine has cooled to ambient temperature. 2. Delete the fault code before pump replacement. 2. Installation steps. 1. Completely drain remaining coolant. If the coolant is turbid or contains rust, scale, or corrosion, always clean up the water circuit. 2. Remove the original pump. 3. Install all pipe ports and power cords in the order of disassembly. 4. After installing the pump, use a vacuum pump for evacuation and then add antifreeze. 5. Start the engine and check if there's any failure. 6. Check the level of the coolant in expansion kettle. Replenish the coolant if the level has dropped. 7. Check if there is any leakage in the vicinity of the pump before completing installation.